Hall vs. Silva will be a fun. Black cat buckle up. Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch. Sunset Halloween shirt. Stand up a fight like Izzy vs. Anderson was. It's the right sort of fight for Anderson to walk away on. He literally has nothing left to prove in the sport. I know I'm going to get hate for this, but Black cat buckle up. Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch. Sunset Halloween shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Literally just a fun fight. No implications on anybody's rankings. But it would have sent Silva away with a nice payday for his retirement fight. McGregor gets some more. Black cat buckle up. Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch. Sunset Halloween shirt. Mock at WW. He went up to LHW basically just to dab on people there. But honestly, he's way more MW sized than LHW. I like the Pettis fight better actually. Both guys are not near the belt and just want to put on a show for the fans. Pettis was keen on it, and I bet so does Anderson. Other product.